Today we discuss about central dogma, that is formation of protein by DNA. Every living organism contains structural and functional unit of life, that is cell. Cell is made up of various cell organelles and centrally presence of nucleus. The total set of DNA called as the genome, which have pair of chromosome different in different species. Human shows 23 pair of chromosome. Chromosome is made up of DNA which always bind with histone protein, and the small segment of DNA is called as the gene, which have information about protein synthesis and transfer hereditary character from generation to generation. Firstly, the two strands of DNA are separated by a specific enzyme called as the RNA polymerase, which separate both strands, and the one strand used in transcription process, that is formation of mRNA, which has a complementary sequence of that strand. The free bases present in nucleus attaches to each other and have a complementary sequence to the parent strand, and this process called as transcription, that is formation of mRNA by DNA. This mRNA after transcription shows various changes. Firstly, each 3 nucleotide base called as the codon, and mRNA shows start codon and stop codon, also called as the sense codon and non-sense codon. After transcription, it shows post-transcriptional process in which some segments are removed, some are added. Then this mRNA comes from nucleus to the cell cytoplasm. At cell cytoplasm, this mRNA attaches with cell organelles called as the ribosome, which have two subunit, large subunit and small subunit. The ribosome have a specific ability to identify tRNA, that is transfer RNA. The transfer RNA is pin head structure, which shows amino acid at the head at the 5'. At the base, it shows 3 nitrogen base or nucleotide called as the anticodon, which are complementary to mRNA codon. They are always paired with A, always paired with U, and C always paired with G. This tRNA attaches one by one to mRNA. The ribosome moves from one end to another end called as the translocation, and formation of polypeptide chain by peptide bond between two amino acid in ribosome called as the translation. Means formation of protein by mRNA is called as the translation, and the polypeptide chain of amino acid comes from ribosome, and the 3D structure of this polypeptide chain is known as the protein. This total process is called as the central dogma, that is formation of mRNA by DNA, and formation of protein by mRNA, that is formation of protein by DNA.